In a crash report, navigate to the diagram field and click on the TraCS diagram from the menu. Launch the diagram tool. The TraCS diagram tool has a set of predefined palette options to choose from. Located on the left are the directional, roadway, vehicles, objects, and signs palettes. The toolbar at the top of the diagram tool have different options available. If you hover over any of the buttons, you will see a description of the button. Clear the Snap to Grid feature will allow you the ability to move any object anywhere on the screen. You can also change the grid background to a white background by selecting the Show Grid option. Let's start by adding a roadway. To select the object, hold down the left click on the mouse and drag and drop to the grid. You can increase the size of the roadway by moving the cursor over the green box and dragging to expand. Let's now add two vehicles. Again, hold down the left click on the mouse and drag and drop to the grid. When the cursor is pointed over the green dot, it becomes a curved arrow. Now you can rotate the object. You could also send objects to the front and back of other objects. We'll take this vehicle and send it to the back of the other vehicle. We can label the street names and vehicles. To add a label, choose the A from the toolbar and draw a box in the grid with the mouse. Click in the box to begin typing. We can also add the street name. Again, select the A and with the mouse, create a box on the grid. Click in the box to type the street name. The text can also be rotated. You can also use the copy and paste features by selecting the object, going to the Edit and Copy, and then Edit and Paste. You can also undo the most recent changes by going to Edit, Undo. You can also select the object to delete. Now let's place the directional sign to indicate direction of travel. This sign can also be rotated if it needs to be in the other direction by selecting the object and either using the green button to rotate or one of the rotate options on the toolbar. Once the diagram is done, close the diagram by clicking on the top right X button. The diagram is imported into TraCS. Continue completing the crash report.